Alright guys, how's it going? Ice Hat FPV here, back for another rip at one of my favorite rock pile pit construction sites. So we're gonna get hit by a big storm soon probably. So see if we can't get one pack in without getting rained on. Cheers. So I decided just to climb up here on top of this tractor, and actually never been on top of one of these things before, so kind of cool. So we're gonna rip from up here before the rain comes. Cheers.
What's the matter with them?
And they think that they have got the battle won.
You should have